Namaste. I will now show you how to log into Zoom as a host and record the meeting, control the meeting, and exit the meeting. Open a Zoom tab on your browser, zoom.com. Sign into the meeting. I'm already signed in. Let me sign out. Sign in. Enter the username. Right. Enter the password, which is Dakshinamurthy4. And click on stay signed in and sign in. When you log in for the first time, you will be asked to provide an OTP authentication, for which, as I mentioned, you have to liaison with me before you are able to come here. Once you come into this meetings tab, you see the list of all meetings that are scheduled. Go to your meeting and start the meeting. You are starting the meeting as a host. You logged in as ASK4 and you are the host by default, right? So the host controls are available to you, the host tools, right? And the record button is visible. If you're not the host, this button and the record button will not be visible. Start the recording.
Recording in progress.
So the meeting recording starts. During the meeting, at any time you want to pause the recording,
Recording stopped.
press the pause button. And once you want to continue the recording, unpause.
Recording in progress.
Conduct the class. At the end of the class, stop the recording. If by mistake you forget to stop the recording, Zoom will automatically stop the recording when the Zoom session ends. I'll stop the recording using the shortcut key Alt+C, which is shown here, Alt+C.
Recording stopped.
Stop the recording. Then at the end of the class, either I leave the class or end the class for all. Dhanyavada. Hope this will clarify.